Hi you guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing very good in your lives as I am doing good too, and please don't mind the setting. I promise I will be doing so much with the setting. I promise you guys. And so yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So today I have two special hair care product for me, but before getting into the video, if you are new on my channel and if you like watching me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like कर दो, and also comment करके बताना ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी. And I am wearing Sugar's Scarlet O'Hara on my lips before you ask. So I have these two special products with me. This is the StBotanica Argan Moroccan conditioner and the shampoo. And StBotanica, they approached me and they asked me to do a review if I like this or not. And I took almost 1 month or so to try these products, and then I am filming this video because I really wanted to give my 100% reviews on these two particular products. So, and StBotanica is a really nice brand. When they approached me, I feel so happy and so lucky, all due to you guys. So yeah, I got these two. So if you don't know, I used to use that Biotic, that blue wala shampoo, protein falling hair wala shampoo hai, that I used to use, and that was doing wonders on my hair. That is the shampoo which I like using on everyday basis, like not every day, like every twice in a week I use that shampoo only. But I tried this shampoo for a month, and I will tell you what I feel about it. First of all, this is Moroccan Argan shampoo, and Argan oil is very good for your hair. It is supposedly to be one of the best ingredient for your hair. And then this is paraben free and sulfate free. That's a really good thing in your shampoo. And this has Moroccan argan oil, almond oil, sea protein, rosemary oil, jasmine oil, jojoba oil, and green tea, and many other things. And it says restore shine, softness, and hair strength. And this is 300 ml, and this was expensive. I will not say that this is inexpensive. This kind of retails for 1300 for both of them. So yeah, that's about the shampoo. And the conditioner is again, that is paraben and sulfate free, and have the same things which this shampoo has. Now here I want to tell you something, because I used to use that Biotic shampoo. After trying this shampoo, I liked my Biotic wala shampoo even more. I don't know, it happened with me that I did not like the shampoo that much. I'm sorry, but I have to say this because I have to be 100% like honest with my reviews. So I did not like the shampoo. I don't know why. It made my hair very brittle and it was not feeling very smooth. Like today my hair is like very manageable because I again started to use my Biotic wala shampoo. I ditched this because this was not doing anything to my hair. In fact, it was making my hair more drier. I don't know if this happened to you guys also, if you have used a sulfate free shampoo. I know it has so many good ingredients, but I don't see that on my hair. So I don't know what to say about this. And I also witnessed some hair fall. That is really not cool, because when I was using my Biotic shampoo, I was not getting any hair fall. So that is why I use it for good 1 to 2 months to try it, and every time I wash my hair I get so much of hair fall. So I stopped using this. And here is where the conditioner came into game plan. So I use this conditioner. I used to use that Tresemme wala conditioner, and I like this conditioner equally because this smoothens my hair, and this is a very nice fragrance, plus it is very natural. So this conditioner did work on me. It makes my end very soft and smooth, and especially because we are heading towards like winters. I think this is winters now. So this worked really like, what should I say, like really nicely on my hair. It made my hair frizz free and detangled my hair so nicely. So I really liked this one. So now to sum up, I will say that I don't know, I have never tried a sulfate free or paraben free shampoo because I was trying that Biotic one, and I don't know if they had paraben and sulfate in that shampoo, because on the back side that shampoo did not mention anything. But I'm sure I'll not going to use this shampoo for sure. I am going to use that shampoo only on my hair. Let me know if you guys use this shampoo and this shampoo works for you, because this did not work for me that much. But yeah, a very big yay to this conditioner, because it made my hair so nice, super sleek and so manageable. I really liked it, and I'm really happy with the tub size, like bottle size. It's so huge, and you know what, I can use this so much. And I love using conditioners. Like if you guys don't know, I love using conditioners on my hair length, because really it makes my hair really nice and frizz free. So yes guys, that is about the video, the review, and I know you guys are missing me a lot. I am missing you too, but I promise that very soon I'm going to be on YouTube again, and also I will make so many good videos for you. I have so many products reviews pending. I have all the products lying with me, but I am really starved right now, so I cannot film videos, too many videos. I just had these two lying from quite a long time, so that is why I thought of making the review, quick review, and I without any makeup, only the lipstick on. So yes, let me know how you feel about this video, and if you guys are using this, let me know. And if you guys want to try it, because StBotanica is a nice brand, I am going to provide a link in the description, so check that out if you want to try it for yourself. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and make sure to subscribe and like the video. And I remember I uploaded a previous video and you guys didn't even watch it, so go and watch it right now. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.